Give him 30 seconds. All right, we are live. Hi, everybody. Hi, Richard.
Hey, Josh.
We are at Dave Focus. Are you having a good show?
Yes, it's awesome. It's always awesome here.
I love the show. We're in Stockholm, Sweden. One of my all-time favorite, just the most beautiful place, And even though it's buried under mounds of ice at the moment and snow and whatever,
It's cold.
Yeah. But we can just get some Scala code and compile. We're nice and warm,
Yeah, sure.
No, this is like a great show. I wanted to talk to you for, I don't know, have you been on the show before? You might have been. Didn't you talk about the
I can't remember.
I don't know, maybe. Either way, I'm really glad you're on the show. I don't know if people can hear us. I'm not sure how many people are online right now. What time is it back in the States? I don't remember. It's 9 hours earlier in California.
Yeah.
So if it's 15, so it's early in the morning. Very, very 6 hours earlier for East Coast. So maybe some people, but I mean, in general, this is European time zones. Anyway, I'm really glad to be here. Help me out. How do I pronounce your last name?
Oh, it's Fichtner. Fichtner. Yeah, it's really bad. Say whatever you want.
It's a good name. I'm just not very smart. But I pronounce your name. I use your name in almost all my talks, right? I just don't pronounce it correctly, which is very sad. But I do show it. So people who are smart, they'll read it and go, oh, stupid Josh, he's screwed up the name.
I think most of the people, like from the US or English speaking, would have a hard time to pronounce it. So
I'm sorry. Yeah. Switzerland. Yes, we can. Hi from Switzerland.
Okay, very good. So they would definitely be able to pronounce it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I'm just so glad. I'm glad we're here, man. This has been I know you're kind of leaving very, very quick, so we'll keep it quick, But I wanted to talk to you. Thanks for being on the show. First of all, what do you do?
My name is Richard. I run a software consultancy company called XDev. We are focused on Java, purely Java. So we build a lot of tooling around Java, and we help nice people to do great projects with Java.
I love it. And then, why'd you get into software? Why not become a rich, handsome billionaire instead?
That's a good question. No, I love computer games, and back in the day, it was hard to make it work because you had to do some fancy stuff to get your games running, and that's how I got into this.
I love it. And so that journey, I think, is pretty. I mean, games, visual pixels, making them dance on the screen. I feel like that's a common arc for a lot of software people, right?
Absolutely.
Do you still play games? I mean,
yeah, mostly with the kids these days, but still, yeah.
Are they how old are the kids?
6 and 4.
Okay, so they're not playing Elden Ring or whatever. They're playing Nintendo or something.
Like Minecraft and some Nintendo stuff. Yeah, so you gotta ease into it,
Small stuff. Yeah, okay. Yeah. But still, I mean, that's great. Oh, hello from Germany as well. Hello. Thanks for joining us, everybody. We're in the right time zones. Look at that.
Thank. Hi.
So, oops, sorry. Do you know this?
Yeah.
Person. Oh, very good. Okay.
He lives very close to me, so
small world. Small world. It is a small world.
Yeah, it is. Meeting you here, what are the chances?
I mean, yeah, it's actually the nice thing about our community is just don't make. It's very important not to make enemies because it's the same.
Same people everywhere.
The conferences, you're not gonna be able to escape them. So it's always nice to be friendly, and you've always been very kind. So I appreciate,
Thank you. You were very, very kind too. So I didn't feel any need to heckle you on your live coding skills.
Oh yeah. It's gotten really bad. It's just sad. Anyway, so okay, you've got a consultancy. It's called XDev, XDEV.
Yes, like this on the shirt here.
Oh, that's such a cool shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Obvious. I mean, it's not the X-Men, of course.
No. Marvel has never heard of this.
No. Yeah, totally different. But it's cool. That's a really cool shirt. I didn't realize. I mean, your eyes are up here, right? I've been looking up here, so I didn't.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
very respectful of you.
So okay, no, you've got a conference that you run.
Yeah, that's true.
Can you tell me about that first before I want to talk to you about something else first, but the conference is super important. I
Yeah,
wanna make
because for a conference we also have like really nice T-shirts, and this year we have a Tron theme, so we have like some of the Dukes with Tron, and the conference is called JCon, and
like the motorcycle, the Tron.
Yes,
Oh,
the
that's
Tron.
so cool.
another joke this year is that MCP is the Master Control Program, you know,
Right.
so and
It
it
is.
also means Model Context Protocol and
Right.
other stuff in the AI space, and so it's the final version of the MCP, you know.
Right. I like this.
End of line.
Yeah.
That's like the quote from the movie. But
Yeah.
yeah, we have a Tron themed shirt this year.
Oh, I can't wait. This year I won't be there, but everything.
There's always next year,
It's
right?
always a great show every time. Like it's such a good show. Where is it again? It's in Germany. But
It's in Cologne, Germany, but it's called JCon Europe. We have people from 60 plus countries there, and it's from the April 20th April to April 23rd. We have a workshop day and then 3 conference days.
Cologne is a very beautiful city, and April is when you want to go. It's springtime.
Yeah.
Beautiful weather. Great. I mean, just that
Not too hot, not too
Not
cold.
too yeah, it's
Right in the middle, perfect.
perfect. Oh, I'm jealous. Envious. Okay. Where do people go buy tickets?
Go to the website jcon.one, and of course I heard you're talking to Billy, and so I got the idea. So you should have a discount code, right?
Yeah.
So we have a discount code for all of your fans here and followers that says just Bootyful, like the podcast, you know.
Yeah.
And you can enter Bootyful, and then you will get 20% off every ticket purchase.
Oh, that's really nice, man. Thank you. Oh, that's great. So, okay, let's see. I guess I can find a way to write that down. We're a professional outfit here, okay, everybody? Beautiful.
That's it.
No quotes. On which website again?
jcon.one.
Not icon. Like that?
That looks good. Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Hold on. We're professionals. It's gonna be okay. There we go. Do that, okay?
Buy some tickets.
Yeah, buy a ticket. 20% off. That's a nice deal. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Cool of you. That's really great. Our community is, I love our community. And so the fact that you're making it easier for people to get together in a really nice country, in a really nice city, and much better weather too. I mean,
Yeah, but maybe it's not so good if the weather is too good. People venture outside, you know.
No. I mean, a good conference. So we have another, it's not the same, of course, but we have another conference that I love called Spring I/O.
Mm-hmm.
It's in Barcelona in springtime.
Pretty nice.
It's the most beautiful city ever, right? Like it's Barcelona, it's like Cologne. It's really, really beautiful. And people stay inside. So, and I'm sure people stay inside for yours as well because it's a great show and people, of course they enjoy the evenings.
Yeah,
But
of
like-
course, they are beautiful.
Yeah.
They should go out, and it's a really nice place. Also, not also inside, but also outside.
Yeah.
There's no cars. It's a beautiful area where we are, and there is benches and everything where you can go outside and talk to people and have a good time.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so beautiful. That's a great conference. I feel bad. Maybe we shouldn't be promoting another conference at the conference, but also, I don't know. No, it's not the same.
They're already here, right?
Yeah, it's true.
And also, like, if you're in Stockholm, you should definitely come to JFocus. It's a great conference.
Just an hour and a half flight or whatever. It's nothing. It's not,
Yeah, for me, no.
Yeah. It's like, yeah. Oh, I guess one of my co-collaborators is logged in. So they posted. This is so cool.
Nice.
But I didn't do it. It wasn't me. It was,
Very good.
that's awesome. So now look, I talk about you and your amazingness all the time,
Yeah.
and in particular, it's Deshaun. Hey, buddy, good to see you.
John, good to see you.
The one and only. So he's one of the 3 people that run this little YouTube outfit of ours, and it's one of the only reasons it's any good is because we have these other 2 people that work on it. Because him and James Ward.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you are a generous person, and you have sympathy for the people who are suffering with long GraalVM native image builds, and so I rather infamously asked Oracle to reduce the GraalVM native image compilation time, and our friend Dr. Fabio Niephaus.
Mm-hmm. He's here.
Yes, he is. I just saw him. Again, this is why you come to these great conferences, is to talk to legends. I missed Deshaun. I wish he was here, but anyway, he's really, really funny. He's like you. He's got a good sense of humor. So he responded that he created a --mode that would play music, right? And that's what I've been asking for, and it hasn't happened. So like, I guess it was 2 years ago. Is that when you created the plugin? It wasn't last Christmas. Was it the Christmas
It
before?
was the Christmas before. Yeah, we had our like XF Christmas party, and I was talking about this with my colleagues, and Alex actually did the work. So
So good.
So-
Was it vibe coded or just you just wrote the code? You know,
no, he's like a pro. He did it like in a few hours. And he had it done, and yeah, we had so much fun talking about this at the Christmas party, and then yeah, he just like. You know these folks. They went out the door, they go out the door, and then they come back and say, "Hey, I've done this now."
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like just give them a little time to do something interesting, and they come back with something amazing. So this plugin is like it's taken on a life of its own, right?
Is that so?
Well, because you started it, you got the original version out, and then I've been using it whenever I can to help people. It's cathartic. It's like a nap during the middle of the day. You know, it feels better, and it plays great elevator music. But then our friend Mahmoud Awalid, he's here in Stockholm.
Yeah, from
actually.
Spotify. Yeah.
Works at Spotify, which is a Swedish company. He saw one of my talks, and poor guy, you know, and like he walked away from that and said, "Oh, okay, that plugin could be a little bit better. What if it supported Spotify playlists? You know, Spotify track ID. So now it does that too.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. Like,
Now you can finally play country music with the plugin, which is awesome.
yes, well, I don't need you need elevator music for the build, but I think it would be very boring if you had to listen to elevator music all the time.
Yeah.
So the fact that it's parameterizable is amazing.
And it's also amazing. So April is coming up. So if you want to prank somebody,
Right.
just add the plugin to your build, and then
April
put in
Fools.
some like funny stuff and do some pranks. Because the next person that will build it at the office and they have the speakers on, everybody will hear that music. So
That's amazing. I got a my friend Phil Webb. He is the I set up we did a talk not this gen not last month but a year ago
okay.
at the San Francisco Java User Group, and I added the plugin to the build that I go obviously I write the code live on stage, but I like to have some idea of where I'm going, you know, and so we had the code written, and he said he added the Maven daemon. Turns out not a great idea, because the Maven daemon recompiles the code every single time you make a change. It reruns the build every single time you make a change to the compiled code, right? So if you're working on the code all day,
Yeah, you got a lot of music.
the music's just playing all day long, it doesn't stop. He's like yeah. So anyway, my favorite plugin. Thank you so much for that. Like, I love ours. Actually, you're from Switzerland?
No, from Germany.
Germany.
Yeah.
But your name is. Did you
No,
say-
no, they also speak in
German, yeah.
the most parts. They speak German. Yeah.
But okay, but yeah, and Italian and French, right? But
Yeah, they do everything.
yeah. So actually, that's a good point. So my favorite actual favorite jokes ever. I'm trying to think if this is true. There's the Exdev Maven plugin. Thank you for that. Dr. Niephaus is German, so that's two amazing,
funny German.
And then who was that wonderful? Oh, my friend. I can see his name. The person who hold on. Years ago, Jan Sabron. Sorry about that. Wait, I navigated to the page I was looking for in the tab. That's again, we're professionals, okay? So anyway, move that out. Anyway, the person I was thinking of was Jan Sabron, who years ago, you know, I was complaining about the checkbox in JetBrains IntelliJ that it removes. There's a way to disable the banner artwork when the Spring Boot app starts up. There's a banner, and there's a thing in the Spring Boot APIs to disable that banner if you want. But I think that's ridiculous, because why would you want to disable good ASCII artwork? And so I raged against that out loud, and Jan, in his infinite wisdom and great sense of humor, he created an IntelliJ plugin that disables that checkbox, and the tooltip reads "disabled by order of Josh Long."
Oh, nice.
And that was also really great. I used that for years. Like some of my all-time favorite gags, three of them, three of my favorite gags, all from Germans. I don't know.
And people say we're not funny.
No, nobody says it, but if they do say it, they're wrong. It's hysterically funny. My God.
Yeah.
Some of the biggest belly laughs I've had in the last decade have been from these three jokes. You both look amazing, but thanks to Sean. I wish you were here, my friend.
Yeah, also.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Thanks for that. Any plans on like?
No, you have to thank Alex. He did the work. I just talk.
I appreciate it, Alex, and the rest of your team. Amazing. Okay, so now, like, you're a Java champion, right? A champion of the Java, and for people who don't know, we love Indonesia. That's what that title is, right?
Yeah, of course.
Right,
it's a vacation title.
Right,
yeah.
Exactly. It's all about going to Jakarta, whatever. It's also about the programming language. Yeah, this just in. It's about the programming language. So, okay. So, I heard you're working on like an education system. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah.
What is that? That's cool.
It's an amazing project. So, people figure it out in the Bavarian education system. So, Bavaria is a part of Germany. Very nice part, by the way.
Yeah.
And they figured out that reading is very important for children. And if you cannot read, so you have problems learning other stuff.
Right.
So programming without reading is hard. You could wipe code with like text to speech or speech to text input, but then again, like reading would be very beneficial even if you want to wipe code. So
yes.
And like for all other stuff. So if you're going to Japan or somewhere where you don't recognize like the letters and stuff.
Right.
Or you don't know their language, it's really hard to get around. So they figured it out, and they had a test. So they had really smart people create a test to see if children need help with reading, because this also helps with education equality. Because if you grow up in a household where there's a lot of books, you might read better and have better chances of having a happy and sustainable life.
Yeah.
And if not, so you have not that good chances. And so they created a system to do this, and they wanted to digitize it. And Stefan Böring and his team from the University of Regensburg, they were contracted by the Bavarian government to do something about it. And they were proficient in R and like Python and stuff like that. But they felt that they needed something else, because this test will be done by all of the elementary children in Bavaria, which is around like say 300,000 pupils.
Yeah.
And they do it every 6 or 4 months to see how the progress is.
Nice. So it's observed, like, and this is the one thing that's really important, is right, catching it. You don't want to wait a year to find out if they can read.
Yeah.
You want to get them on track as soon as possible, right?
And you want to also see if the help that you provide has an impact. So So for us software people, this is like doing agile software development. You do something, you inspect, you adapt, and then you go ahead, right? But schools don't have that. And now we have already 13,000 teachers that we help with this project. And it's all written in Java. And they have the feeling that if they do it in Python, this will break. And of course, there's pen tests from like the government and stuff like that. So it's highly regulated.
Right.
And they thought Java might be a good pick.
Yeah.
And it worked out. And Java is a great pick to do that.
Yeah, 100%. This is so good. And I was just about to ask you about that. I didn't know that was on the table, but I was wondering how, right now we're hearing a lot of because the AI discussion is leading people to say, okay, well, in what language should I be thinking? And I think I can't think of a better language than Java these days, both for if you want to be really, really highly performant and you want to do some of what Go or Rust are trying to do, right? Yeah. Without having to compromise on the programming model, or dynamic and capable of managing some of these, really new frontier workflows like AI. Mm-hmm. I think Java's got the best mix of all that, and really cool to see that argument won. This is a new project.
It's like 2 years old now, but they are doing new projects on the same platform because they saw that it's very successful. And usually government projects in Germany are not that successful. They are not on time or over budget.
That's true everywhere. Yeah.
And they have a really strict cycle because like the school year, it starts at a day and you cannot wait 6 months because then the school year is basically like half is over. So yeah, you have to be on time to do it.
I love it. That's so cool.
Yeah.
That is really good. Well done. You made my life better, but you also are making the lives of countless students all around the country. Or that country. Wonderful country.
That's very
Better.
that's very cool that we could help people by doing what we like, coding Java.
Yeah.
And to your point, that like Java is very different, and I only realize that when I look around.
Right.
So, like having something like Maven Central where we can get dependencies,
Right.
and you always get the same dependency for every build. It's
Right.
It's like reproducible. It's awesome, right?
Right. I love it.
Yeah, that's not normal. We think this is normal, but other ecosystems don't have that, and
Oh, I know.
that's just great to have that.
I love it. I'm a huge fan. I mean, this is, I don't know. Wasn't there just another NPM exploit just over the holiday? I think there's like 2 in a row.
They have them all the
Oh,
time.
yeah, I'm not saying the Java ecosystem is perfect.
No, by far not. But we have some nice things, and we often do not realize that we have these nice things.
Right, exactly. I mean, how long did it take for Go to get a vendor? They were like vendoring modules. They had to like bring in the source code or whatever. I mean, just Java's light years ahead in some ways. Okay, starting to learn Java in Spring Boot. Am I in the right path of programming career? Yes. Java is a great ecosystem, and I'm glad you're using Spring Boot. But again, start with Java. Learn the language, and I wouldn't learn like start in Java 25. But have you played with you can just run a script basically?
Yeah, sure.
Just a top level class. I mean,
Awesome.
Look for as recent education as you can find, and start with Java 25 new features, because it's a different language. If you learn the Java when we learned it, I started in the 90s, right? So like
different world.
Totally different world, totally different language, right? And by the way, I say that, but this is one of the reasons why I love being at conferences like this is we're having this conversation praising Java, and not 5 meters away from us is Java language architect Brian Getz.
Yeah.
So yeah,
He's over there.
yeah, just being awesome. But anyway, yeah, welcome to the Java community, my friend. That's awesome.
One more thing here.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to check out learn.java, which is a great resource for learning Java with recent content.
Right. Yeah. And the Java advocates, including Billy, who's been, like you mentioned, was on the show earlier.
Yeah.
They're great. And also
Sure, he's over there.
yeah, and Jose, I think, is here. Here?
Jose is also here.
Jose-
Anna is here. Lisa is here. They're over there.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, there really are. There's sitting there. I didn't even see them. Yeah. Anyway, my friend, I appreciate you. Got to go. I cannot believe how lucky I am to have gotten the chance to sit with you. I thank you for I know I was like I did a talk, and I'm like, please don't leave, and you're like, okay.
We could make it happen.
We make it happen.
Thanks for taking the time to do it right after your talk. You had to rush here.
It was great. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
So okay, jcon.1, beautiful, 20% off. Check out the Maven plugin, and thank you.
Absolutely.
Oh, and XDev Software.
Yeah,
Just xdevsoftware.com or what?
xdev.software, which is a great domain.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks,
Bye.
Josh.
Thanks.
Bye.
Appreciate you. Bye.